What's up with the YouTube? It's your boy Dub. It's at the Sneaker Life QG channel. If this your first time watching one of my videos, man, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Help your boy grow, man. I really appreciate that shit. Real talk, no doubt. Man, I got a box right here. Just came in. I'm just now getting off of work, man. But I saw these shoes on one of my sites that I frequent. I'm looking for sneakers. And I ran across these joints and I was like, damn, them bitches is fucking fly, yo. I really like them shit, so what I did was I spent some money on them. So really, I ain't gonna try to take too damn long with this shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna show y'all boys the shoe. You know what I mean? Show y'all the shoe. Let y'all see it. I have seen a couple reviews on this bitch already. So first off, boom. Bam. Why is a rubber band on this nose? I don't know. That's cool though, you know. Alright, shoebox there. As you just saw, that was Nike. Just some paper. It don't show what the actual price was that I paid for these joints. These joints retail at I'm not even sure. I think they retailed at like $160 or something like that. Should get a little close up on that. Bam. Air Max. Erdl party. Air Max 95s, baby. You gotta fuck with it. And pull out box. Let me move this right quick. Cause like I said, we're gonna make this short and sweet, man. I don't know how much time. So you basically gotta pull out box. Let's focus this camera up. You gotta pull out box. Box slides out. Bam. And just get rid of that for right now. Oh man, these motherfuckers are so damn dope, bro. Now, when you buy Air Max 95s, make sure you go half size up, cause these motherfuckers will pinch the shit out of your feet. Alright, so first, up here, we got the little suede nubuck on the front, on the toe cap. You got a mesh coming up here. You got green, purple, snow camo. You got red, gray, black camo. You flip the shoe to the other side. You got a snow camo, blue, military camo, and then you got a purple camo. You got a black midsole, black bottom. You see this here? Green, yellow camouflage on the bottom of that joint. Fucking dope. Reflective right here. It's that suede on the upper cap. You got some camouflage underneath this mesh right here. Real dope, real dope. And you turn to the back. And I do got a light on right now. So it's partially reflecting. This part is pink. And now you look at that. Black air bubble. This damn shoe is supreme. Air Max on the tongue. Just look at this shoe right there. Just take it real slow. You can just see that quality on the shoe. This is like a canvas material with the camouflages. Hella dope. pull up the shoe out right quick. On the inside, you got camouflage on the inside of that joint, on the insole. Super dope. It basically matches what's on the bottom here. And this shoe, pink camouflage on the bottom instead. Small little Nike branding in the middle. This shoe, you see, these are shoes here, but you can see the outside of this one. Let's focus up the outside of this one. Snow blue, military purple. The outside of this one is orange, military red, and then snow. I mean, these hella dope. Like I said, I ain't gonna take too long. Dropping shit, y'all. Peep that on the back there. Hold them up for you. Peep that on the back. Boom. Hella dope. And yeah, man, if you like this video, bro, this is the Air Max Erdl, Air Max 95 Erdl, super dope. If you like this video, man, click that like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more sneaks. Check back tomorrow, I might have an on feet video for you. But until then, it's been your boy Dub. Peace.